welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. We are in the KitchenAid kitchen today. And I'm joined by Chef John from Jazzy John's Barbecue up in Vancouver, Washington.
That's right.
Today he's going to show us how to make a green chili spoonbread.
Okay, we're going to start off. We've melted a little bit of about a tablespoon of butter in this skillet, and we've got some chopped up scallions, greens and white. We're going to add those, and then we're going to just stir those and just cook them until they get a little translucent. And now to a medium saucepan, we're going to add 2 cups of milk. We're going to be having heavy cream here. We got a cup of heavy cream, so now we're going to slowly stir in some cornmeal. This is a cup of cornmeal. In the meantime, we're going to pour in about a ½ cup of Parmesan cheese, and we're going to add in those scallions that we cooked off a little bit earlier. While it's starting to do that and getting even hotter, we're going to add some chopped green chilies, and then we're going to add about ½ pound of sharp cheddar. And we're going to add now 2 more tablespoons of butter. And while we're doing that, we're going to add, we separated 4 eggs, and these are the yolks.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to beat the 4 egg whites that we had from our 4 separated eggs. Okay, next, we've removed our porridge from the heat, and we're just going to take 1 spoon out of here and combine it in. And then the rest, we want to kind of take our time and fold these in. And then we're just going to pour this right into a buttered souffle dish. And this is going to go into a preheated 350-degree oven, about 30 to 40 minutes.
And we have the KitchenAid Pro Series right now, which comes in a red, a blue, a white, a stainless. It's pretty awesome. So we're going to stick this in here. For how long did you say?
About 30, 40 minutes.
Okay. Our green chili spoonbread is finished. It's beautiful.
Thanks.
We're going to take it outside and let someone try it, and we'll be right back.
Would you like to try a green chili spoonbread we just made? Let us know what you think.
It's very good.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thanks for joining us. We're at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham in the KitchenAid kitchen. We'll see you next week.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.